Here's a full YouTube video script for the all-new 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Type 1. I've kept it without headings, as you asked, and written it in a natural narrative style that would sound great in a video voiceover. The length is crafted to fit under 9,000 characters but still detailed, cinematic, and engaging. The legend is back. A car that defined generations, carried the spirit of freedom, and shaped automotive culture for decades has now returned. The all-new 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Type 1 is not just a car, it's a rebirth of an icon, blending the soul of the original with the technology of the future. When you first look at it, you instantly recognize the silhouette that made history, the round curves, the playful yet timeless stance. But now, everything has been reimagined, with a modern twist that sets it apart for the new era. Volkswagen has taken a bold step, bringing back the Type 1, the Beetle that once symbolized simplicity, affordability, and joy. The 2026 version is designed for today's world, one where electric mobility, smart technology, and sustainability are no longer optional, they're essential. At first glance, the front is unmistakably Beetle, with smooth rounded LED headlights inspired by the classic design. They're more advanced than ever, featuring Volkswagen's latest adaptive lighting system that blends beauty with function. The grille is minimalistic, breathing elegance while staying true to the Beetle's personality. The proportions have shifted slightly, giving the car a wider, more confident stance, yet without losing the compact charm that made the original so loved. Its roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, carrying that iconic dome-like shape that feels both retro and futuristic. Volkswagen has taken special care to keep the Beetle recognizable, while pushing it into tomorrow with sculpted lines, aerodynamic surfaces, and bold details. The wheels, available in sizes up to 20 inches, are designed with retro-inspired patterns, a nod to the classic hubcaps of the old Beetle, but now finished in modern alloys. Inside, the 2026 Beetle is where nostalgia meets innovation. The cabin greets you with soft curves, circular motifs, and a clean minimalist dashboard, echoing the original simplicity of the Beetle. But now it's infused with digital luxury. A large floating infotainment display dominates the center, offering Volkswagen's latest MIB system, seamlessly integrating navigation, entertainment, and connectivity features. The driver faces a fully digital instrument cluster that can transform to mimic the classic Beetle speedometer for those who love heritage. Ambient lighting wraps around the cabin, customizable to any mood, bringing warmth and character to every drive. Materials inside are sustainable yet premium. Volkswagen has used eco-friendly fabrics, recycled plastics, and vegan leather options to make sure this Beetle isn't just about style, but also responsibility. Comfort has been carefully designed for both driver and passengers, with more legroom than ever thanks to its electric platform. The rear seats fold down for extra cargo space, making it practical for daily life while keeping its compact footprint. Powering the 2026 Beetle is Volkswagen's state-of-the-art electric drivetrain. Built on the MEB Plus platform, it offers multiple configurations. The standard model comes with a rear-wheel drive setup, a tribute to the original Beetle's layout, delivering around 250 horsepower and a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. For those who crave excitement, Volkswagen has introduced a dual-motor all-wheel drive variant with nearly 400 horsepower, giving the Beetle sports car-like acceleration. 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, yet whisper quiet, smooth, and efficient. Charging is equally impressive, with ultra-fast DC charging that can replenish up to 80% in just 20 minutes, keeping you on the road and ready for any adventure. Safety and technology have also been prioritized. The Beetle Type 1 comes equipped with Volkswagen's IQ drive system, offering semi-autonomous capabilities. Adaptive cruise control, lane assist, traffic jam assist, and automated parking make city driving effortless. Over-the-air updates ensure the car is always improving, adding new features long after you've driven it home. But beyond the numbers, the 2026 Beetle is about emotion. It's about reliving the charm that made the original car so beloved worldwide, from surfers in California to families in Europe, to dreamers across the globe. Volkswagen hasn't just built another electric car, they've reignited a cultural symbol. This Beetle is designed for a new generation that values individuality, sustainability, and style. It's fun, it's approachable, and it carries a story that few cars on the road today can tell. Special editions are already planned, including a convertible version that will let you enjoy open-air freedom with the same iconic design. Volkswagen is also teasing a performance-focused Beetle GTX, blending sporty dynamics with the Beetle's unique personality. The details matter here. From the Beetle logo carefully embossed on the seats, to the playful startup sound inspired by the Beetle's classic engine note, every touch reminds you this is more than transportation, it's a lifestyle. When you step outside and look at the 2026 Beetle, you see more than a car. You see decades of history, millions of memories, and a design that has survived the test of time. Yet you also see the future, clean mobility, connected technology, and modern performance. This is a car that bridges generations. Parents who once drove Beetles can now see their children and grandchildren experience it in an entirely new form. Volkswagen has taken the DNA of its most famous creation and electrified it for the modern world. Whether you love the Beetle for its charm, its simplicity, or its character, the 2026 Type 1 will make you fall in love all over again. It's not just back, it's better, smarter, and more alive than ever. So when you see one on the road, don't just think of it as another electric car. Think of it as a time machine, a rolling piece of culture, a legend reborn for the future. The 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Type 1 is proof that some icons never fade, they only evolve.